Hello, my name is Dr. Diallo, an academic coach and a test prep expert with study.com. Are you currently preparing to take the FTCE Business Education 6 through 12 with testing code 051 assessment? This assessment covers the subtopic of knowledge of business management and administrative procedures. I have good news for you. You have come to the right place because I am here to walk you through a few sample test questions as well as other test-taking strategies to support your studying and preparation for your big day. Let's begin by taking a look at problem number 1. Which management theory emphasizes the importance of understanding human behaviors, needs, and attitudes in the workplace, as well as social interactions and group processes? A. Scientific management theory. B. Classical management theory. C. Human relations management theory. Or D. Contingency management theory. So within our question, we want to notate what is it exactly that they're asking us. They're looking for a theory that focuses on human behaviors, needs, and attitudes, as well as their social interactions and the group processes. So whatever theory that we select needs to address all of those concerns. So for A, the scientific management theory, this is a theory of management that analyzes and synthesizes workflows. Its main objective is improving economic efficiency, especially labor productivity, so this doesn't sound like the best answer choice. B, classical management theory. This is a management style that focuses on the hierarchical organizational structure, specialized job roles, and autocracy to optimize efficiency in the workplace. So this doesn't sound correct either. C, human relations management theory. Well, this theory focuses on the human aspects of employees, such as their needs, behaviors, and the impact of group dynamics on performance. It emerged as a response to the more mechanistic view of earlier theories, emphasizing the importance of employee satisfaction, motivation, and interpersonal relationships in the workplace. So this meets the description mentioned in the question, but let's take a look at answer choice D just to make sure. D, contingency management theory. This is also known as the situational theory of management, and this recognizes that there is no one-size-fits-all solution to management problems. So this is not the correct answer choice either. Therefore, answer choice C, human relations management theory, is the correct answer choice. In a matrix organizational structure, which scenario best illustrates the typical reporting relationships for an employee? A, an employee reports only to a functional manager within their department. B, an employee reports to 2 managers, typically one functional manager and one project manager. C, an employee reports directly to the CEO, bypassing middle management. Or D, an employee operates independently without reporting to any manager. The key words in this question that we need to pay close attention to is the matrix organizational structure. So we know that with a matrix, we've got a lot of different things going on. That's what we're looking for in this answer choice. In a matrix organizational structure, an employee is often part of a team that reports to a project manager while also reporting to a functional manager in their department. This dual reporting structure is designated to optimize the use of resources and expertise within an organization. So answer choices A, C, and D, those are not part of a matrix organizational structure, so therefore answer choice B is the only possible correct solution. When an employee expresses dissatisfaction with their career progression, which human resource management practice is best suited to address the issue and improve employee retention? A, implementing an immediate company-wide salary increase for all employees. B, offering a one-time bonus to the dissatisfied employee. C, developing a clear career advancement plan with set goals and performance metrics. Or D, encouraging the employee to resolve the issue independently without HR intervention. So there's a lot going on in this question, and we want to make sure that we understand what it's asking. So there's an employee who is dissatisfied with their career progression. So there are concerns about not moving up in the company. That's the focus of their concern. So what would be the best way to address the issue and improve employee retention? Those are key words that we want to pay close attention to. Well, developing a clear career advancement plan with set goals and performance metrics would be the best approach. This HR practice involves working with the employee to set clear career goals, define performance metrics, and create a timeline for achieving this advancement. This approach addresses the root of the dissatisfaction, and it also provides the employee with a structured path to potentially advance within the company, which can improve motivation and retention. Implementing company-wide salary increases, offering a one-time bonus, and encouraging the employee to solve the issues themselves are not the best practice. It would not completely address the dissatisfaction with career progression. Therefore, answer choice C is the best answer choice. What is an essential characteristic of professional business behavior when responding to a customer complaint? A, providing a scripted response to ensure consistency in customer service. B, taking personal offense to the complaint to show empathy. C, addressing the complaint with active listening and a tailored resolution. Or D, redirecting the customer to a competitor who can better handle their needs. So the biggest thing we need to think of here, we need a professional business behavior. So when we're thinking about how a professional would respond, this is going to help us figure out which answer choice is the best. Professional business behavior involves actively listening to the customer's concerns to understand their issue fully and then being able to provide a tailored resolution just for that person that addresses their specific complaint. This approach demonstrates respect for the customer and a commitment to resolving their problem, which is key to effective customer service. Using scripted responses, taking personal offense to the complaint, and redirecting the customer to a competitor will usually have a negative impact on the relationship with the customer and could possibly result in customer complaints and backlash, especially with social media, so readily available for customer feedback. Therefore, answer choice C is the best answer choice for this question. Well, as you can see, there may be some challenging questions on this assessment, but with the right amount of preparation and with the help that you'll receive from study.com resources, you're bound to do great. For more practice, check out our FTCE Business Education 6 through 12 051 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head on over to study.com and check out our FTCE Business Education 6 through 12 test prep course. Those who utilize study.com resources boast a 92% passing rate. Our course includes full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice problems, and short targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test specs. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on the day of the test. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest FTCE testing updates. And please leave your questions and your success stories in our comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy studying.